In this video, we are going to discuss the looping statements or the loops in the C language. In programming, a loop is used to repeat a block of code until the specified condition is met. C programming has three types of loop: for loop, second one while loop, and the third one is the do while loop. A for loop is nothing but a repetition control structure that allows you to efficiently write a loop that needs to execute a specific number of times. The syntax for the for loop is given: for initialization, condition, increment, and then some block of statements. Here is the flow of control in a for loop. The initialization step is executed first and only once. This step allows you to declare and initialize any loop control variables. You are not required to put a statement here as long as semicolon appears. Next, the condition is evaluated. If it is true, the body of the loop is executed. If it is false, the body of the loop does not execute and the flow of control jumps to the next statement just after the for loop. After the body of the for loop executes, the flow of control jumps back to the increment statement. This statement allows you to update any loop control variables. This statement can be left blank as long as the semicolon appears after the condition. The condition is now evaluated again. If it is true, the loop executes and proceeds, and the process repeats itself. After the condition becomes false, the for loop terminates. Here is one of the example for the for loop to print the numbers in between 10 and less than 20. So this is the output of the program. Next, in the nested for loop is nothing but the for loop. There are two for loops, inner for loop and the outer for loop. Next looping statement is the while loop. A while loop in C programming repeatedly executes a target statement as long as the given condition is true. The syntax of the while loop is while, condition, and some block of the statements. Here, statements may be single statement or a block of statement. The condition may be any expression and true is any non-zero value. The loop iterates while the condition is true. When the condition becomes false, the program control passes to the line immediately following the loop. Here is the example of the while loop, and this is the output of the while loop to print the numbers from 10 to less than 20. The third loop is the do while loop. Unlike for and while loop, which tests the loop condition at the top of the loop, the do while loop in C programming checks its condition at the bottom of the loop. A do while loop is similar to the while loop except the fact that it is guaranteed to execute at least once. The syntax for the do while loop is do, some block of statement, and after executing that statement it will check the condition. Notice that the conditional expression appears at the end of the loop, so the statements in the loop executes once before the condition is tested. If the condition is true, the flow of control jumps up to do and statements in the loop executes again. This process repeats until the given condition becomes false.